Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Do you like my glasses? These are my new babies. I'm still working on them. Don't know if you can see, they are all hand painted and decorated with cowrie shells. Yeah, it's gonna be available on my website soon, so I'm still working on them. I hope you like it. I have a few different ones. Let me show you. I have them in a few different colors. You have this one in blue. I love them. I think summer is coming and it's just gonna be like an amazing thing to have in your closet, to like see, all handmade, beautiful design with African print. Yeah, and the case, I designed the case as well. I decorate the case as well. It's all handmade by me, by the way. There's no factory doing this. It's all my work. So I have a few to go through, and then yeah, it will be soon be available on my website when I'm ready, because there's a lot of work to go through. So I decorate the case as well. So it's really very cool. This is the case for the one I'm wearing right now. That's the case for this one. So yeah, so if you don't know me, my name is Innocent Messi. I'm a fashion designer, and yeah, I make clothes, accessories, anything. And recently I've been talking about Zimbabwe a lot, and because this is a fashion channel, what's fashion without music, right? So today I want to talk about Zimbabwean music. Alright, don't throw stones at me. So I went through a list. I went like, because I'm not gonna lie, another thing about Zimbabweans, like not Zimbabwean, here in the UK, my partner, for instance, he listens to a lot of not Zimbabwean, Congolese music, Nigerian music, but not so much of Zimbabwean music. And when he does listen to Zimbabwean music, I'm not gonna lie, it's not like, it's nice, but it's just nice, you know. I like to move. Zimbabwean music don't quite do that to me. I don't know, because I'm Congolese. Yeah, so out of interest, I was like, okay, I'm gonna look at different Zimbabwean artists. The only Zimbabwean artist that I know of, that most African people know of, is what's his name? Praiser, Thai Praiser, Praiser, something like that. I really like his music. I like his style. I think he really put Zimbabwe on the map. So that's the only artist, like I don't know how you say the word, I don't know the word, but yeah, I like his music. I like the way his music videos and everything. Yeah, so I went through the list, and I put him, I have like a list here. So my list of the best Zimbabwean artists that I discovered in the past few weeks. So not yeah, a few weeks, but Praiser, I know him for like many years now. So there's him, number one, and then comes Takura. Sorry if my pronunciation is not good. Please don't kill me. So Takura, I also really like his sound. He's taking it like into like Afrobeat kind of like. The third, on number 3, is EXK. I also like his sound. He's also going into that Afrobeat direction, because like one thing I can't really connect with Zimbabwean music is like, most of it, yes, you have your traditional sound, but it stays a lot in the traditional, and also you sing a lot in Shona. I'm not saying don't sing in Shona, but if like me, a Congolese girl, a Nigerian girl, a a Zambia girl want to listen to your music, it's kind of a bit difficult to relate to it. Except for the beat and the sound, there's nothing else that relates you to it. We don't all speak Shona. So time to time in the words, put a bit of English, you know, since English is your second language. Add a bit of English. English is universal. So if one or two or three words comes in the song, even if I don't understand the music, the meaning of the music, I will kind of have an idea, and I kind of feel like it will kind of make me want to know a bit more about, be interested about the song, because the meaning of the song. In Nigerian music, they sing in their language, but they put a lot of English in it. So you do relate to the song. You understand a little bit what the song is about, and that makes you even want to listen more and dance to it. But with Zimbabwean music, I struggle a lot, and I tend to see that occurring with a lot of Zimbabwean artists. I think maybe that's why it's a bit difficult for people, other African like me, myself, to relate to Zimbabwean music, unless you're actually from Zimbabwe and you live in Zimbabwe. So in number 4, I have Naughty O. He's also really good. I did listen to a few of his songs, and then comes Jazz Signal. I'll put the videos, but I can't put the sound because YouTube copywriting. I cannot put the sound. So if you see the clip, you will understand. I think you will recognize who the artist is. And then there's in number 6, there's Enzo Aisha, I think. And number 7, Dr. Shy. And on number 8 is Jazz Signal. Did I say Jazz Signal already? Oh my god, I really like his music. I put him twice. So no. Number 9 will be Killer T. So Jazz Signal came twice. So he must be really good because I put him twice, right? And then number 9 is Killer T, yeah. And number 10 is Amara Brown. I really like her style. Too. And also she put some word in. She doesn't only speak in Shona, sing in Shona. She always sing it. She also speak in English, you know. So there's some English words in there. So it kind of makes you understand the song, the meaning of the song a bit more, and that helps you get into the groove, you know what I mean? Like, so yeah. So I in general, I think compared to Congo, we are all brothers, but let's be real, okay? Compared to Congo, Zimbabwe has still a long way to go with music, right? You can't go to I go to a few Zimbabwean parties, but I don't go to a lot because I just can't really, you know, get the vibe. I can't really enjoy myself. A lot of Zimbabweans do when they are at their parties, because they understand the meaning of the word and everything. They are really, really, really into it. But for me, I found it really difficult. So I can just sit there and just shake my head, but nothing. And the songs are not really for dance. They're more for listening. They more mellow kind of songs. Even when they introduce dancing into it, it's not really like Congolese, you know. When you dance, you really like You see what I mean, right? But I come in peace. Yeah. So I'm not here to diss Zimbabwean music or Zimbabwean artists at all. I'm just saying, I'm just giving my opinion and how I feel about Zimbabwean music. I do like it, but I'm not like crazy about it. I wish they could sing a little bit in English, like mix English and Shona or mix English and Debele, so I can feel a bit like involved in the song. And yeah, that's all I'm saying. So Thank you very much for watching me today. I hope your week is going well, and yeah, I'll give you a date of when I launch these babies here. They take me so much. It takes me about 2 hours to design one of these, and maybe another 20 minutes to design the case. So it's a lot of work. It's not going to be expensive, although it's handmade. It's not going to be expensive, but it's going to be available soon, so keep updated, and it will be available on my website. So if you don't know my website, I'm going to put it down, and please like and subscribe, because you give me strength, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.